Hey guys, I'm back. Hello. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you all are well. Thank you for checking out my video. If you're here for the first time, go ahead right now and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, today I want to show you how you can use the Conversion Pros to help you with your TextBot business. Okay. Let me show you. Let's go over to the Conversion Pros, and I want to show you something you may not be even aware of. I've been using this system for quite some time now, and there's a plethora of features and functionality that it has. Okay, and I'm going to be coming back doing more and more to show you guys the value of the system. But today, let's talk about leads, because that's what you need in your business. Without leads, you have no business, right? So let's see how the Conversion Pros can help you with that. Okay, they've added something they call boot camp training. Okay, to the Conversion Pros. I think it's awesome, especially for the newbies. When you first get started, you get in the Conversion Pros. It's a marketing system, and you're like, well, what do I need to do first? So they've created, right under the Get Started tab, the boot camp training. So you want to go through the training. But I want you to hear something from the CEO himself, Mr. Dave Dubs, as he talk about the leads that they have in the back office of the Conversion Pros. Okay, let me show you where that is real quick, and I'm gonna let him kind of talk about those leads and see how they can help you in your TextBot AI business. Hang on. Okay, so once you sign up for the Conversion Pros, which is a 2-week free trial, you don't even have to pay a dime right now. You can just go sign up, get access to purchase these leads. Okay, or if you're just like some people that I know, they've already just signed up. They paid their $50 and they're ready to go. Because if you don't pay the $50, you won't be able to make commissions. If you refer someone to the system, Conversion Pros pays you $25 for everybody you refer. So if you're on the trial and you happen to refer some people and they sign up, you won't get the commission. Okay. So, but at any rate, you're in the back office, you signed up, right? And you said, well, hey, I saw that video you talked about. I want to go ahead and get those leads. I want to order me some leads. So you come in the back office, you come all the way down, and you will see a little tab that says leads. Okay. All right, let's see. I've clicked on it already. So I've clicked leads. It's over here to the left. And it says right here, order leads. Okay. So we have different types of leads right here. Personal campaign or TCP. Okay. The lead type or the category. Okay. Which is the ones I typically order, are the generic male and female, or sometimes the live interview leads. But we're going to let Mr. Dave talk about that. But I want you to see where that is, and you can get these today, guys. You can sign up for the free trial and log in and order these leads right now for TextBot AI to help you with that business. So hang on, let's go see what Dave talks about. Okay, I kind of got some timestamps of some different clips. This is a part of the boot camp. If you want this whole thing and listen to it, it's really good. It's a 25-minute session, but I'm just going to let you hear some snippets that I find that is important in getting these leads to help you with TextBot. So check it out here.
All right, so we're going to go over Leads 101, and again, I got my virtual whiteboard here. We're going to do some explaining. First and foremost, you have to understand that we have been selling leads for practically 6 years online, okay? And we have seen tons and tons and tons of people make sales and signups and build massive, massive downlines off of our leads. Okay, so the first thing you got to understand is, when people, how good are your leads? Well, we've been doing it for 6 years, and we've seen, 5-figure downlines built, okay? How big is your downline? Usually the people asking these questions are funny. They don't have anybody in their downline. How good are your leads? And where we have, the who's who. We have a lot of very big top earners, by the way, and a lot of established deals that have been around for many, many years that have all of their people buy leads from us. Okay, why? Because what do they need? They want their downline to grow. If their downline is growing, okay, they're making more money. Okay, so that happens every day. So the first thing you got to get out of your head is, I hope this works. I hope these leads work. Well, they do work. Okay, it's already proven. So you can't say they don't work because we already have proven testimonials of how many people use them and get results. So get that out of your head. When someone says, well, how good is your leads? The first thing we got to talk about is how good are you? Okay, leads need worked. Forget this notion of you're just going to hopefully an email is going to close leads. If you just want to sit back and hope an email will close a lead, you're living a pipe dream. That doesn't happen. Well, I heard that there's autopilot income. Yeah, everybody who says that gets tons of signups. Like a big guy will come out with this course and say, I do this. He makes a ton of money, and then everybody else in the deal hardly ever makes any money. Okay? No. When you're working leads, especially when you're brand new and you haven't had a big downline, you haven't making money, the phone is your friend. Okay? Yeah, and let's, it'll come a time where you got to call leads and to the point where you don't need to call leads anymore. Okay, I don't need to call leads anymore. Okay, but when I started, I banged this phone so hard.
Okay, I'm kind of just scanning through it. I got another part for you, so we're gonna start from right here. Check this out.
So you got to understand when people say, "Well, how good are your leads?" Well, how good are you? We don't know your deal that you're pitching them. We don't know what you're saying on the phone when you're calling them. We don't know what they're looking at. We don't know how good you built your landing page once you send it to them. There is a lot of ifs in leads, but I will tell you, they're good leads because here's the fact. Let's go into the facts real quick. First and foremost, you got to think of this, number one. Why do you post any ads at all? Most of you get in a deal, and the first thing you do, like I showed you in the above videos, is how to go out there and post ads. Or you post on your Facebook page, you post on your Instagram. Why are you posting ads? The only reason you're posting ads is at the end of the day so you get, I guess we'll cut off my video there, so you get leads. You need people to talk to. You need people to show your business to. Most people never show their business to enough people, and that's why they fail. So the more people you show your business to, the more chance you have to make the big money in this industry. So a lot of people are posting lots of ads trying to get leads. Now the problem is this. A lot of times they're paying. I've seen people pay $200 for clicks and not even get 30 leads out of it. I've seen that happen all day long. I've seen people buy clicks because a click isn't a lead, it's a click. Or they'll buy a bunch of solo ads and maybe they weren't really good at writing solo ads or writing good ads and they're lucky if they got 30 leads. They spent $200 on that, right? Well, that's silly, right? Let's go look. So if I go Conversion Pros, log in. Let's go look at our leads. Leads, order leads. And let's look at our basic leads. Generic business. And for $200, you would get 250 leads, plus you'd get a 10% overage, so you get 25 extra. So you'd be getting 275 leads versus 30 leads that you paid for. Okay? And if you're working leads and working them right, we're going to get into videos on how to work leads the right way and another how to follow up video. But if you're working leads the right way, you're going to get results, period. Okay? Especially our leads have come in. Here's how our leads work. They haven't seen your capture page. They have no idea what your business is. They have answered an ad. So they saw a page that was talking about working from home, making money at home, time freedom, recession-proof business, all these kind of things that they're looking for, okay? And then we send that lead directly to you. So now this lead is generic. It wants to work from home. It wants to make some money. It wants to have some time freedom. It wants to live the lifestyle. And then we allow you to pitch whatever your business is, okay, to this person. Okay? It could be TCP. It could be anything. Okay? They're open-minded. These people have answered an ad, and they're saying they're looking to work from home, and they're looking to make some money. Okay? So you got a highly qualified person to talk to because they're already looking for something. And then you get to show them your business. Now, if you were to buy our other leads, which is our interview leads, they're a little bit higher. Okay? But here's the cool part about those leads is this person has gone through a page, okay? And then, before they get to you, they have talked to an interviewer. And this interviewer has asked them questions and qualified that lead to make sure they're looking to make money, to make sure they're looking for home. And then they send you all these questions and their answers and their name. So let's say this person was John and the lead's name was Lisa. So John says, hey, we talked to Lisa. Lisa said She wants to make $4,000 a month. She has 20 hours a week. She has $250 to invest or whatever money to invest. And then you get this lead, and then you get to call Lisa and say, Lisa, hey, you just talked to John. And John said that you wanted to make $4,000 a month. Man, if that's all you want to make, whew, I got to show you what we're doing, because we have people making triple that in a month. And so it opens them up, and so now that's a highly qualified lead. So the basic leads you got to work a little bit harder on compared to the interview leads, because the interview leads are there. Now, how do we get our leads? Every time you go to a gas, or through Barnes and Noble or the airport, or when you go to grocery stores, you'll see all kinds of home-based business magazines, like Entrepreneur, Kiplinger's, like Home Business, all these kind of different magazines. This company places ads in these magazines, okay? All kinds of home-based business ads. It gets driven right to a generic capture page. So you got people that are literally looking to make money. Radio ads, if you've ever listened to Sirius Radio, you'll hear home-based business ads on Sirius Radio. If you want to work from home, or you're sick of your job, you want to make money, etc., those get driven into the generic system of the generic pages. TV ads the same way. And so basically, they're literally answering ads, talking about making money. They go into a page that says, hey, you want a recession-proof business? Do you want to make money from home? Would you like to have the freedom and the lifestyle without working a job and making money? This kind of stuff. Those kind of bullet points, very, very generic. And the reason these leads work so good is because we have people in Conversion Pros that sell everything. One person's selling CBD oil, the other person's selling Forex. One person's selling credit repair, the other person's selling energy drinks. Okay, so these leads are very good because they're open-minded. They didn't say, hey, I want to see an XYZ business. Except one, okay? I got to show you our other lead packs real quick for an example here. We do have a couple other lead packs, and you always want to order it personal. Just order it personal. You'll see why with any other training we have. But we also have female only. Now, we originally got female-only leads into the business because we had huge makeup deals, okay? And, they didn't want to buy leads, and 50% of the leads they get was guys who weren't interested in makeup. So originally we got female leads for that, and skincare industries and kind of stuff like that. But then what we found out is we have a lot of, there's women in the network marketing, home-based business industry, man, that are straight-up killers. I mean, they're just crushing it. And they build huge, successful women teams. And we have a lot of them literally every single week buy our leads, and they love it because they're not talking to guys that hit on them. Guys love to hit on girls, and they don't want that. They're serious about building a business. They want to talk to serious people. And women, unlike guys, they tend to stick in a business a little bit longer. Okay, they tend to, once they make up their mind, hey, this is the business I'm going to do. They're not chasing every shiny object like most men do. They get in a business for 2 weeks and they're already moving on. Most women don't do that. So women leads are very, very good. Sometimes you also have a really good women product. Maybe your company just launched something that's really great for women, so that would get women excited about doing that. That we have male-only leads too. Sometimes guys are just not really good talking to women either. They're better talking to guys, or maybe it's a male-driven product. Okay, we have that, and then we have also live travel leads.
So that's a snippet of it. Okay, this is in the boot camp. So join the Conversion Pros. You can listen to the whole session. It's 25 minutes, guys. This is some good stuff that Dave he put out. I want you to go check it out. But these leads, back to those. Sign up. You can sign up for free right now. Get your 2-week trial. Go in the back office. Go ahead and purchase some leads. And we have the scripts too. Let me show you that real quick. Conversion Pros gives you all this good stuff. Hang on, let's see. So in the boot camp, you're going to see, as you can see right here, how to leave a voicemail, how to text, right here, interview lead scripts, the generic lead script, texting lead script. So all that is included in the Conversion Pros. This can help you with TextBot, guys. You got to have leads. Yes, we have solo traffic. We have all those resources. We have the TextBot training over in the TextBot community. But you need leads, okay? So this is another strategy, marketing strategy, another training that you can get to show you how to use the leads in the Conversion Pros. I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and get signed up. If you're not signed up with me in TextBot, do that as well, because TextBot, you can earn $100, $500, now even $750 with TextBot, just sharing a number. So the time is now. Get started. Call my number, 845-253-6408. Get started with me in TextBot. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't done that, and click the notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next